such an amazing country. You know, I feel alive here in India. There's always something happening. The sights, the sounds, the colors, the smells. And India is now projected to be the third largest economy in the world very, very soon. There's a reason why they call it Incredible India.
मैं तकरीबन 3 महीने में सारा मोबाइल पे ही मैं सारा कोरिया वगैरह सारा यूट्यूब पे
When you hire a guy to drive you around, just make sure you negotiate, because I'll give you an example right here. This guy who is driving here right now, I'm asking him to take me to the next bazaar where they sell desi jutis, which are slippers made in Patiala. And he wanted 100 from me, and I told him, no, I'll give you 50. And then he said, no, how about 80? I said, no, I'll give you 50. He said, okay, I'll do 70, and that's my best. And I walked away, and he came running after me. He said, okay, I'll take 50. So that's the power of bargaining here in India. You've got to be, you know, thick-skinned and give them your best shot, and you'll save a lot of money. Oh, look cool. Of course. Look at this, guys. So this is Patiala. I'm in the Juti Bazaar, where you can buy desi jutis that are world famous. World famous. You know, these are for men. You've got all kinds of different ones for women. All kinds of different designs. So look at this. This is what people typically wear on weddings and things like that, right? Desi juti from Patiala. There's something very special about being in India. You know, you can take the Indian out of India, but you can never take the India out of the Indian. You know, I've been gone for 45 years. I left India when I was 18 years old. I'm now 62. So even though I've been gone for 44 years, all these sounds, the smells, the sights, the food, the temples, the gurdwaras, it just brings back a rush of memories. I'm just so happy to be here. I cannot explain it to you. Perhaps I'm feeling nostalgic. Like I said, you can take the Indian out of India for 44 years, but you cannot take the India out of the Indian. So this establishment, Samarat Fish and Chicken, has been around for more than 50 years. It's a family business that's been passed down from, one to the other. And it's the best known fish and chicken place here in Patiala, Punjab. So I cannot wait. I just placed the order. I should be getting my tandoori fish soon. It ought to be something very special.